Hello everyone, welcome again in my channel. Let's study with Madam Sir. Students, in our complete series of English grammar, today we are going to read conjunction. Students, in the previous video we have already read what is conjunction, kinds of conjunction and kinds of coordinating conjunction. In this video, student, we are going to read kinds of subordinating conjunction. So first of all, how many kinds of conjunctions are? There are two types of conjunction, coordinating conjunction and subordinating conjunction. Students, what is subordinating conjunction? In this video, we are going to read subordinating conjunction and its kind. So what is subordinating conjunction? Subordinating conjunction joins a clause to another clause on which it depends for its full meaning. For example, he ran because he was afraid. Here student, there are two clauses. He ran and he was afraid. So in the first sentence, he ran and he was afraid is joined with the conjunction because. You will pass, you work hard. So you will pass, you work hard. Here there are two clauses and the two clauses are joined with the conjunction if. And here student, once again in the first sentence, he ran and because he was afraid. So because he was afraid, it depends upon he ran for its full meaning. In second sentence, if you work hard, it depends upon you will pass for its full meaning. So here they are what? They are subordinating conjunction. It is clear here that subordinating conjunction joins a clause to another on which it depends for its full meaning. Now, students, how many kinds of subordinating conjunctions are? There are 8 kinds of subordinating conjunction. Number 1, conjunctions of time. Number 2, conjunction of cause or reason. Number 3, conjunctions of result or consequence. Number 4, conjunctions of purpose. Number 5, conjunctions of condition. Number 6, conjunctions of concession or contrast. Number 7, conjunctions of comparison. Number 8, conjunctions of extent or manner. Now, what is number 1 student? Conjunctions of time. So, what is conjunctions of time? They introduce adverb of clause. The conjunction that introduce adverb clause of time, they are conjunctions of time. For example, she has died when? Before she reached 25. So that indicate what? That indicate a time here student. Before conjunction, it indicate a time. So this is what? Conjunction of time. The doctor came when? After the patient had died. So after indicate a conjunction of time here. Wait here till I return. Wait here when? Till I return. So till indicate what? Time. So this is what? Conjunction of time. Many things happen. Many things have happened when? Since I saw you. So since indicate time and that's why here it is conjunctions of time. So student, we have got that conjunctions of time introduce adverb clause of time. In all the 4 sentences, conjunction before, after, till, since, they introduce time and that's why they are conjunctions of time. Number 2, conjunctions of cause or reason. They introduce adverb clause of reason or cause. Conjunctions of cause or reason, they introduce what? Adverb clause of reason or cause. So how they introduce cause or reason with the help of example. Come on here. My strength is as the strength of 10. And what is the reason behind it? Because my heart is pure. So here student, with the help of the conjunction because there is a reason is presented here. Number 2, I spoke to his brother. And what is the reason behind it? As he was not there. So with the help of as, here there is a reason is presented. He may enter. Why? As he is a friend. So with the help of as conjunction, the reason is presented here, as he is a friend. It shall be done. What's the reason behind it? Since you wish it. So since you wish it, presented a reason. So we got here, student, that with the help of the conjunction because, as, since, we can introduce adverb of reason or clause, or we can introduce adverb clause of reason or cause, and it is introduced by what? Conjunction of cause or reason. Number 3, conjunctions of result or consequences. What is conjunctions of result of consequences? They introduce adverb clause of result or consequences. Conjunctions of result or consequences, they introduce adverb clause of reason, result or consequences. For example, he was so tired. What is the result of it? That he could scarcely stand. He was so tired that he could scarcely stand. He was so intelligent. What the reason? That he won the first prize. So a reason is presented here. With the help of the conjunction that. And so that is here conjunctions of result or consequences. Number 4, conjunctions of purpose. Students, conjunctions of purpose introduce adverb clause of purpose. For example, we eat. What's the purpose behind it? That we may live. He worked hard. What's the purpose behind it? So that he might pass. Walk carefully. What's the reason behind it? Lest you should fall. He works hard. What's the reason behind it? In order that he may become rich. So a reason is, a purpose is presented here, and that's why here, student, the conjunction that, so that, lest, and in order that, they are what? They are conjunctions of purpose. Number 5, conjunctions of condition. They introduce adverb clause of condition. Conjunctions of condition. So they introduce what? Adverb clause of condition. We dismiss you. He will dismiss you. What's the condition here? If you are late again. She behaves. What the conditions? As if she were mad. He cannot be pardoned. What the condition here? Unless he confesses his fault. I agree to these terms. What the condition here? Provided you agree to mine. So here, student, we have got that conjunctions of condition, they introduce adverb clause of condition, and they are used to indicate what? They are used to indicate the condition in a sentence. So here, if, as if, unless, provided, they are conjunctions of condition, and they come under subordinating conjunction. Number 6, conjunctions of concession or contrast. students, what is conjunction? What is conjunctions of concession or contrast? They introduce adverb clause of concession or contrast. For example, he is honest man. He is poor. He is an honest man, although he is poor. So, although student, with the help of although, there is a contrast. Honest man, even poor. He is not contented, though he is poor. So, not contented and poor. So, there is a contrast here. He will never pass. He will never pass, however hard he may try. So, there is a contrast that he will never pass, however hard he may try. So, he may try hard even if he will never pass. So, there is a contrast here. So, student, we have got that with the help of the conjunction although, though, however, we can introduce adverb clause of concession or contrast, and they are what? They are conjunctions of concession or contrast. Number 7. Conjunctions of comparison. Students, what is conjunctions of comparison? They introduce adverb clause of comparison. They introduce what? They introduce adverb clause of comparison. For example, he is as clever as I. So there is comparison between he and I. He loves me as much as you. So there is comparison between me and you. She likes me no less than you. So me and you, comparison. He is taller than you. There is comparison between he and you. And these comparisons are done with the help of the conjunctions, as, then, and then. So here student, as in first or second sentence and then in third and fourth sentence, they are what? They are adverb clause of comparison and they are conjunctions of comparison. Number 8. Conjunctions of extent or manner. What is conjunctions of extent or manner? They introduce adverb clause of extent or manner. For example, man will reap as they show. So here student, there is one manner is written here, that man will reap what? As they show. So with the help of as, here there is manner is presented, and that's why as is conjunctions of extent or manner. He choose the candidate. Second example, he choose the candidate. What is the manner? According as they were fit. So what is according here? According is adverb clause of extent or manner. So student, it is clear here that conjunctions of extent or manner introduce adverb clause of extent or manner. And what are the conjunctions? Like as, according, they are used to introduce extent or manner in a sentence. So these are the kinds of subordinating conjunctions. Thank you for watching this, student. If you like my video, students, like it, share it and subscribe my channel.